Aptera Motors claims the Aptera EV prototype as the world's first never charged vehicle. This EV gets power from the sun and no need to worry about charging. An integrated solar package providing about 69 kilometers of range. To collect this power, 3 solar panels with a rated capacity of 700 watt-hour each were installed on the rooftop, which are easily upgradable and replaceable. It also gets a range of 1600 kilometers from its additional battery pack. Coming to Aptera EV specs, 177 km per hour top speed, 0 to 96 km per hour acceleration in 3.5 seconds. And the solar vehicle gets power from a 100 kilowatt permanent magnet DC motor from the front wheel drive variant or a 150 kilowatt permanent magnet DC motor from a all-wheel drive variant. Coming to the charging of this EV, from a 3-pin plug, you can get 20 kilometers of range within an hour or about 241 kilometers of range if you charge overnight. At roadside charging stations, you can get 160 kilometers in 10 minutes. The range is possible with Aptera aerodynamic design, lightweight parts made of carbon, Kevlar and hemp, and also with an efficient electric motor. The PMDC motor uses just 100 watt-hour per 1.6 kilometers of travel per 1 mile of travel, which means for 1 kilowatt battery power, you can travel for 10 miles. The solar power is enough to travel for 17,700 kilometers per year. Technically speaking, Aptera can be classified as a motorcycle or autocycle rather than an electric car. This solar vehicle is available with a variety of battery packs starting from a 25 kWh which provides 250 miles of range, 40 kWh provides 400 miles, 60 kWh provides 600 miles of range, and the King Daddy battery of 100 kWh which provides a range of 1000 miles. The basic variant 250 mile pricing starts from $25,900 in INR 19 lakh rupees, whereas the high-end variant 1000 miles starts from $44,900 in INR 33 lakh rupees. Currently, this solar vehicle is available in the US. Go green, go electric.